Hello everyone, I'm Antoine and welcome to my channel, Food and Bake. Today I'm going to cook pineapple fried rice. Let's see the recipe ingredients. For this recipe, we have the pineapple as I already showed you before. I have red pepper, I have cherry tomatoes, beans, carrot, spring onions, ginger, garlic, shrimps. The shrimps I already discarded and washed. Okay, I have the rice already prepared, it's cooked, and this is important that when you make a fried rice, you need to cook the rice before. I also coconut milk, 2 eggs, soya sauce, oyster, chili powder, curry powder, salt and pepper. I start to cut the pineapple from the middle. I start to cut the pineapple from inside, and it is important to go deep, okay, and here from the edge leave a bit space. Now what I will do is to cut squares, small squares. And now you can see the pineapple, how it is from inside. I start to cut the carrot in small pieces. The garlic, the spring onions, the ginger, spring onions for the last stage. The cherry tomatoes. I will start to marinate the shrimps. Pepper. Soya. 1 teaspoon. And I prepare to cook the shrimps first. In a hot pan, I will put 1 tablespoon of oil and I will cook the shrimps. I will remove the shrimps, but if you cook meat or chicken, you can continue to cook in the wok, but because of the shrimps, we don't need to cook them too much. I put some oil and I cook all the vegetables. I prepare the eggs. In a separate bowl, I have the curry powder. I put a bit of chili powder, soya, about 3 teaspoons, oyster sauce, a teaspoon, coconut milk, and I mix everything together. I cook the eggs. I pour the rice. The sauce. I pour the egg. I put some cashew. The shrimps. Pineapple. Finally, I put the tomatoes, the rest of the spring onions, and some parsley. Mix them together. Leave it for about 30 seconds or 1 minute, and we switch off the fire. And the recipe is cooked. Now soon we start to plate. And now the recipe is ready cooked. It's time to plate. Now everything is ready. It's time to taste. Very, very good. Thank you for watching. I hope this recipe you like it. See you in the next video.